bong, ay. Bono my bong, what's it showcase? 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 Bono my bong, bono my bong, bono my bong, what's it excess? 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 Showcase to the apple. Hey, you're going mad, you're going mad, I can't envision it. Goes to woods, I can't envision it. Let's take a crack at this. Life tank and hope it might lead to the immaculate. Slugs, it was Vumbo. Write my name on the check, I could care less about a good book. Looking like a crook at the store. Son, if you quit the profiling and look beyond, maybe you'll see more to this calf up and said yo, I'm maneuvering forward. Hands tucked in his hoodie like he looking to score from you and yours. It's the flaws in your judgment, that's what clean is about where you gone. Son, there's a wrong gap. This Kambela manga mustn't feel it, it's no cap. Ay, let's leave him in with minimal capacity to fathom how you kaffers. Slaving off your career when you don't own your masters. Ngiyaxakeka kuleso simo ungangichazela. Ufuna ukwazi ibanzi ukuthi indaba ungayibambeli. Hold your own bro, ungayibukeli phansi ngiyangidlalela. Qaqeka futhi makuphoqa kusho ukuthi uyabaleka. Qaqeka futhi makuphoqa kusho ukuthi uyabaleka. Yazi angijwayela le nje.
Damn, that'd be crazy if I flip that shit on YouTube, like download.
She's a foolish, but come on and comish. Sincike kwibhonet esandarisidop. She's a bitch, lula kululwa ndlela amakafot. It's like 3:30, intatha kodwa ziyabuya. I'm not really sure if uma uyangikhumbula, but she hitting me up. So ufuna ukwazi isimo sokukhulu. Cause the son got the whip, and his friend just got paid, and we gallivanting in the city 2 hours away from his sponsor. I should be answering, but hey, look be ubandan. So ngizibe phone, ngibe ngishayela ithamlam. Watch out for the cops, phela kusikhona ebramla. Bumping heavy jazz when we spaz in no brow arm. Bafana bamnyama camouflage with the night sky. Besiphume badges, putting ingwayilo zokubadge. Savele zadako kakhulu thina sabadge. We the type of campers change the scene up ukushesha. Sakwenza masithandile siswami back. Ngazeni ngobuza uzoyithola usuqhubeka. Sakaziyani phansi, you fell in love with a calf. Cha empeleni I'm only here for impela. Sonto ngizoqhwiza ngesonto. Ngishaya ibhenge encane, beat bang like a fofo. Shining your time ukhuphula kancane emoji. Kicking back to say sensei. Zidojo MMU podcast nyanga zonke. Si on bro, got my job with camera flipping, dying off the FOMO. Shayo N3, morning sacrifice this pong. Wake up next day, do the G's like a pro. Yo, hey, let's just say Papa Laz with some fro, yo. Hey, let's just say Papa Laz with some fro, yo. Hey, let's just say Papa Laz with some fro, yo. What you know, bro? What you know, bro? Let's just say Papa Laz with some fro, yo. Hey, let's just say Papa Laz with some fro, yo, yo. Let's just say Papa Laz with some fro, yo. Hey, what you know, bro? What you know, bro? Plus them paratin, man's a mean, benzotin. So we indatha kusa kodwa sisabhula beans. What you mean? Mawuthi ugcwele ngehora listen. It locks it from pause from Izol cha Smith. Yaphambili. Shout to rest in peace to Phambili. Hope you seated up emkhathini nophumlile akuna-ghost. Ibusiso sengizoyinqukula kunini. Kwawelinye ilitha kwavuka elinye lapheni. Figure ngokuthola. Never on that violent tip, Caffers pets on my border. Known for scuba diving in your mind and taking out that tumor or deception. VIP, so she sends pepper at this section. Cause bad spirits ain't the ones we tryna intercept with. It also blessed us with the direction where you was flexing. Your skill of rapping is about as interesting as my love life. So don't be quick to switch you for the next man. There I go, switching topics, clear that I'm a mess. Clear that shit upon my mind, but clogging shit upon my chest. Get the stress, time to go plump boss. Find it hard to rest, what's in your guts? I can't for wish that pillow was a breast, what's in your cuts? I just wish that you would leave me for a sec. But I got a couple problems I am trying to address. just give me a couple weeks ngizoyiphendula leyo text. Ngimatasa but I'll be sure to hit you up the next time my peoples meet and I forget that you my ex. Forget that when I hear I jam I'm quick to skip it to the next song. Seems like you got nothing going on. You just viewed my status in a second. What is wrong with your current love life? So I can screw it up some more. Don't tell me when it's with you, cause I'll definitely call and request that you give it up for this cafe without a call. Don't you miss the days when we go cop Rizla at the store? Don't you miss the days when we go cop Rizla at the store? Killers, Sixova maphara senza ngathi sizobakhapha onejubane ngesiqede sibagafe. But hey, it's whatever. I hope you down for a cafe nalaba abanye ngibaphethe. Don't get mad, uthando luqukethwe kudala ngeke liphele, so igazi lidedele. Thela umoya phansi nokuwumona uyekele ngifuna ubaba ukufanele. Maybe that's the reason why you spoil nokubaleka yojeke dula nabanye phinda ithole seshiyeka. Ngizama uqoqa amanzi ngezandla luthi simile kulo mfana kepha uyazama inkinga ukuthi ngiyahluleka. After this love tank bra wami impela insambatheka ingqinamba ney'nselele ey'fika nala nginakuyimela. After this love tank bra wami impela insambatheka ingqinamba ney'nselele ey'fika nala nginakulimela. After this love tank bra wami impela insambatheka ingqinamba ney'nselele ey'fika nala nginakuyimela. After this love tank bra wami impela insambatheka ingqinamba ney'nselele ey'fika nala nginakulimela. I'm really tired of all this thing, like very umdando. We're just playing games and it's not even fun anymore.